Hello there once again, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today, I got two of the minions. Atrociraptors, we have Panthera and Atrociraptor Ghosts. They're both Atrociraptors. So the reason why I brought these two out is because we have the new DARIUS Atrociraptor Ghost Encounter Pack. We're going to unbox and review it. We chose this two because this is the very first crouching Atrociraptor, I believe. And of course, ghosts, the same as this, but they have different, I don't know, color for some reason. Look at that, the tail, okay, darker brown. Well, it's a different variant of ghost again, so we'll check it out. Alright, so we already finished this Yaz and Molophosaurus. This could be next. Okay. Alright, so let's check it out. So we have Darius here as a more mature now. Let's open up Atrociraptor first. Let's check it out. We're gonna compare it to Panthera because they're both crouching. It's obviously the same model, just different paint job. See, same as the tail, pretty much the same. The legs, the arms, it's the same. All the same, guys. What's the mouth? There you go. See, all same. Let's check the DNA scan. For all of you, there you go. So yeah, now let's check its other variant. So the color here is a little lighter compared to this. There's nothing on its thigh here. This one has it. This one has a redder eye compared to this. This is like an orange eye. So yeah, look at that, huh? Totally different. And there's another Atrociraptor Ghost coming end of this year. It'll be the Hammond Collection Ghost. So yeah, can't wait for that. Now let's go check Darius and its weapon here. And its backpack. Okay, there goes the backpack. Can it be open? Yeah, we can open it too, just like Yaz. Cool. Alright, let's pull him out. Can we take off his jacket? Yeah, we can take off his yellow coat. And with this thing here. Okay. It's like, this is like their electric thing used in the movie when they electrocute dinosaurs to push them back away. I don't think it even fits. Goodness, why would Mattel make stuff like this? It doesn't fit. Okay, maybe it does, or maybe not. Well, anyways. Yep. Pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Nothing much. Alright, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Just as always, next video will be another custom hybrid. Alright guys, it'll be the first time, no one has done it yet before. So, yeah, it'll be good. It'll be great. It'll be a carnivore and a ceratopsian. Alright guys, you guys have a great one. We'll see you in the next video. Probably on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. You take care now. Bye.